What if you no longer had to plug your electric vehicle into an electrical socket for charging? What if there was a much lighter, cheaper, and greener battery that uses just air, water, and the metal aluminum to generate electricity and does the job more efficiently by giving a driving range that's more than double that a lithium battery offers? A long-range, lightweight, cost-efficient, recyclable, and ethically sourced battery is, arguably, the holy grail of the EV market. Although lithium-ion batteries have been driving a revolution in electric vehicles, we typically see ranges of 300 miles or less, which may not be enough for long trips depending on where you live, and nobody wants to wait for a long period of time while recharging on a road trip, or to struggle finding a nearby fast charger. But the downside of lithium-ion battery is that, if the battery is completely discharged, it can no longer be recharged again. Lithium battery risks like battery degradation from temperature variations, leakages caused by mechanical stress, and overcharging and discharging. These issues have left the door open for researchers and companies around the globe to find better alternative battery technologies. The aluminum battery could become a reality thanks to oil marketing giant, Indian Oil Corporation, and Israeli clean energy startup, Finergy, that are working on commercializing aluminum air batteries for EVs in India. Aluminum air batteries produce electricity from the reaction of oxygen in the air with aluminum. The formula is quite simple: aluminum plus air equals power. A reaction of oxygen and aluminum in the air creates electricity and leads to a charge that can be used. They have one of the highest energy densities of all batteries. Aluminum air battery for cars is an innovative technology. Let's take a look at how aluminum air battery works. A prototype has been developed with 25 aluminum air cells stacked in a series and is being tested in electric cars with Maruti Suzuki, in electric trucks at Ashok Leyland, and in electric three-wheelers with Mahindra and Mahindra. The technology behind aluminum air batteries is simple. If you are familiar with hydrogen fuel cells, as we talked about it in this video, you can check out if you want. This works similar as hydrogen fuel cells. According to Trevor Jackson, an engineer and former officer in the UK's Royal Navy, began experiment with aluminum air batteries in 2001. Although the aluminum air battery was invented back in the 1960s, it was deemed unfit for commercial deployment due to its electrolyte being dangerously caustic and poisonous. Now back to the working. The fuel is aluminum metal known as the anode.